Hello, little adventurers. Today, we're going on a magical journey with our fun weather friends. We're going to explore the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Meet our heroes, Sunny and Cloudy. In spring, everything comes to life. Flowers bloom, trees grow, and Breezy comes to say hello.
Look, Cloudy. Look at all the flowers, they're waking up. Our friend Breezy's here to help them grow.
Whoosh! I'm Breezy! I bring the cool winds that make the flowers dance.
Wow, spring is such a happy time.
Spring is full of colourful flowers, baby animals, and cool breezes. Can you feel the magic of spring? Next comes summer, the warmest season of all. Let's splash into the fun.
Summer is my favorite season. Hot, sunny days are great for the beach.
Even in summer, I like to fall from the sky and make a splash.
The sun shines so brightly, and rainy makes it a fun way to cool down with some rain. When our friend Sunny is making the day so hot.
In summer, the sun shines the brightest, and we can enjoy swimming, eating ice cream, and having fun in the sun. When summer ends, autumn begins, the leaves change colours, and Breezy comes back to play.
I'm back! Whoosh! Look at all the leaves twirling with me.
Autumn is so cozy. It's time for warm clothes and yummy pumpkins.
Look at the beautiful orange, red, and yellow leaves falling from the tree.
In autumn, the weather cools down and the world becomes colourful, and children love jumping in piles of leaves. Now, let's get cozy. Winter is here, and Frosty the snowflake has arrived.
Whee! I'm Frosty. I love to twirl and make the world sparkle with snow.
Winter is so chilly, but it's also a great time to have some fun in the snow.
Look, it's snowing, and Frosty is covering everything in white.
In winter, it's cold, and snowflakes fall from the sky. We can build snowmen and drink warm, hot chocolate. Wow, what an adventure! We saw how spring, summer, autumn, and winter bring different kinds of weather and fun.
Every season has its special magic.
Whether it's blooming flowers, bright sunshine, colorful leaves, or snowy fun, we love all the seasons.
And now, little adventurers, what's your favourite season? Let me guess. All of them. Now it's time for us to go. Wave goodbye. Sunny, Cloudy, Breezy, Rainy, and Frosty. See you next time. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.